Welcome back to the Weekly Dog Sports Betting Podcast Show. It's your boy Macko Scott, the man Russian.
And I'm Esau in the man Taylor Street.
We got Dro with us, Woodrow Star in the building. And the name of this episode is I Heart Hoops. Woodrow, big basketball fan.
Absolutely.
We know back in the day, me and you, we used to kill miles on the court together, 202. Hey, we still got the trophy.
Yeah, hey, old as we is, I think we probably still give you guys.
Yeah, still get our bit. We lost one game together against Couple Cats and Champagne.
It'll be the slowest game ever, but we'll win that motherfucker.
We'll win straight up. Man, before we get to these big basketball, man, let's SeeRed first. You want to SeeRed, right?
Hey, before we SeeRed though, please make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, comment, because we got good content coming all throughout. You know what I'm saying? Throughout the year. So stay tuned for that. But SeeRed, you gotta go and jump it off with SeeRed because it's only right, man. It's about the Bulls in Chicago.
Right.
They've been, like we said, they've been doing. Just to piggyback last week, they talking about the Bulls only win 20 games this year. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like they're on pace to win at least 35, maybe in this. Playing the play-in spot.
Well, we 6-10. Bulls 6-10.
6-10. Staying seed, nice seed, you know.
So
but they still young. You know?
That's been an argument on the show, Wood. I know you've probably seen a couple episodes too, but the biggest thing is the Bulls gonna win 35 games. Now we all know you a Bulls hater from the group chat.
Yeah.
So take me into it, Joe. You a Bulls hater. Why you hate the Bulls so bad, Joe? Like where it started from?
Well, here's the thing. This is I'm glad I've been asked this question on the Weekly Dog. So here's the deal. I don't hate the Bulls. You know, I'm just not a Bulls fan for particular reasons, and they can't win, and I'm just tired, man. And I ain't saying I'll be a bandwagon jumper, but
that's what it sounds like.
Damn.
We start with you coming back. You gonna pull that Bulls belly out?
Well, now I can, and I started to wear that tonight. I really did. Now I can kind of watch the Bulls because my main reason for not watching the Bulls, D-Rose days and all that, I caught a couple glimpses and all that, but it was Stacey King, bro. Stacey King was the main reason he made the games boring. He lied and shit. He steady talking about Mike and you ain't do shit with Mike.
Stacey was the man.
And so the thing is, not only do I got to listen to this guy, this guy's on here lying and shit, and then on top of that, the goddamn team can't win, man. I mean, damn. I done sat up here and listened to this shit. And hey, you know what? Rest in peace to big fella who just passed away, man, for the Bulls organization. Bob
Love.
Bob Love, man.
Bob Love.
Out, man. But man, it's just night in, night out. Sometimes the Bulls give you good games, sometimes they give you bad games. And me personally, I think the franchise is just chasing the great white hope again. Because why can't you land a superstar, a bona fide superstar, and bring it home? So I say, you know, I mean, it's
like
useless.
Bandwagon.
I just want to be able to watch a hometown
team. So who your team?
The Los Angeles Lakers is my team.
Okay.
The Los Angeles Lakers.
They ain't made the championship game. I guess they won.
Yeah,
they won the cup
you got
last
to
year.
correct that because we've been winning like a mother even after Kobe. So.
No,
come on, Joe.
One game, one championship.
One is enough for right now. It's one more than what the Bulls won since Michael Jordan.
That was a bubble too.
Man, you cannot compare the Chicago Bulls organization to the Los Angeles Lakers dynasty. It's just, I mean, you see the difference.
You're right. You
organization,
can't compare.
dynasty, like
can't compare.
You can't compare. And
Bulls,
this is the thing, though.
Bulls actually beat the Lakers.
They do. They beat.
They win one of those championships.
That's one thing.
Shout out to the Bulls being the Lakers in
Shout out to the Bulls.
91.
Yeah. We took
our first chip.
I didn't even come outside when
they
they
was our
won that
first
shit.
chip.
I was in the house. I didn't celebrate. A lot of people like, you learned, you was all right. I was not. I was in the house, literally. My feelings was hurt. Because I'm a diehard Laker fan. Like, you know.
So
it was over
what year did you become a Laker fan? Cause you was born, we grew up together.
Yeah, it's
We been around since second grade, third grade.
Absolutely.
First grade.
So even then, I was calling myself Byron Scott. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
We used to play on the court and dream and visualize we was NBA players. I literally was Byron Scott. Hey, I know a Bulls fan though. This guy, he used to call himself Michael Cooper. And this guy he's a bona fide Bulls fan. But what you call yourself Michael Cooper for? You really a Laker, buddy, so I hope you was. But
shots.
Shots fired.
Yeah, boom, boom.
Yeah.
I became a Laker fan, I would say, rough draftly around 85, 84, something like that. When the Bears won there, you did, but that's later on down the line.
We ain't come here to start no trouble.
Yeah, so, hey man, anti.
Here we go.
So
Shots fired.
So that's how it all started. That's
how
how
it all
you became
started.
a bandwagon with the Bulls and you love the Lakers.
No, I wasn't
now-
with the Bulls.
I'm
I mean,
saying-
because at the time, the Bulls had Orlando fucking Woolridge.
Yeah.
Who
In
the
the 80s,
fuck is gonna be
So
rooting
when we
for
was winning
Orlando
chips,
Woolridge?
when we was winning them chips, you want to rock with us then?
No, I was not.
he was a Lakers fan. I can attest. He was a Lakers fan.
Yeah,
he one of the
that's
guys from the
one
neighborhood.
thing.
He
That's
always
respect right
been a
there.
Lakers fan.
Yeah.
I'd be way more bogus if you was like, yeah, you ain't, you know what I'm saying? You was messing with the Bulls at that time.
Yeah, that's what I
Now
say,
you
man.
not. But you ain't been rock with them with Mike, then.
Nah, I wouldn't even. And that's the thing.
You love
though.
the shoes though.
I love his shoes, and I love Mike. I love certain players. I'm a basketball fan. So no matter what team you on, if you're a good player, and you know what I'm saying. I wasn't a Philly fan, but I fuck with Al. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Al was the man.
I named my son after this dude. So you
that
know what I'm
was
saying.
cold.
So it's like, man, so just watching basketball, period. But Magic Johnson was the hot camaraderie as I was growing up, because it almost was like a black and white thing. That was really heavy in the early 80s. So if you was rooting for Boston, you pretty much was a Caucasian guy.
Or you like the Celtics.
Yeah.
They had Bill Russell. They had some black Celtics players.
Yeah.
Or you like cocaine.
Yeah.
You could have been Reggie Theus.
But going inside of Boston itself,
Nah,
you can't go to Hell's Kitchen and all that.
That's
Come
how
on.
you don't really-
that's how
you
they
don't
play
have
double
Boston.
dribbles.
Anti brother, man.
When I was Boston,
Yeah.
we had double dribbles out. I just like Boston.
Yeah,
That's
and
like-
we all played with them on the game. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like,
that was that team.
yeah, on the game they was hot.
Man, let's get into the better
Shout out to
verse.
Classic. Shout out to Wig.
Yeah, shout out Wig, man.
Classic.
You know that, bro. But let's get to the better verse for a minute. Bulls, man, 30 games. We'll put that to bed for a minute. We 6 and like 10. We lost all our in-season games.
Absolutely. You said-
What's a reliable Bulls bet? You were optimistic.
A
So
reliable Bulls bet
so
for me
if
right
we-
now. I'm sorry, going. That's what you just said. The over. You know, I'm just on. That's 100% right now. Like I said before, and a couple of episodes back, and consistent with it. The over with the Bulls that's what's in the better verse right now. If you don't know, if you don't like it, then look at it. Because every team is scoring a lot on Bulls. And the Bulls gonna score 100s too.
yeah.
I've been seeing the game since I've been saying it. Bulls
That's-
135, 140. They lose 140 to Cleveland. You know what I'm saying? It's 149. So,
That Bulls over been solid for sure.
overs, I mean, that everybody's scoring double-digit points, so it's a lot of props in there. You can get some good deals with the overs with the Bulls. That's it. The better verse, though.
Yeah,
Can't bet on they winning losses.
because you never know.
Can't bet on they winning losses. You know, they might lose, but you know the comeback. When they beating the team by 15, you know they're gonna lose that lead. They lose it every single game. So that's another good bet. The comeback on the opposite team.
Yeah, if you tracking it live, so if you tracking it live, Bulls coming back. The Bulls been hitting a lot of 3-pointers. The other day they hit like 1,000,000 threes. The game before that they hit 1,000,000 threes. They've been hot from outside. Kobe White been coming with it. Zach LaVine, inconsistent. You know what I mean? Yeah, Kobe White, he's solid.
Yeah.
Inconsistent. Bulls trying to tank. They gonna put a team together out there to tank. And man, reliable bets. I don't know. I'm gonna ride with you. I'm gonna say the over been solid. Just the consistency. The Bulls gonna score points. If they hot, they gonna score a lot of points. And they can't play defense.
Yeah.
They don't have a real protector.
Solutions out there.
They don't have perimeter defense.
120 a game, opposition.
Yeah, opposition gonna score a lot of points with the Bulls, against the Bulls. But get to some of these other teams, man. NBA Cup then kicked off Wood.
Yeah.
It's a few undefeated teams. Atlanta 2-0. Trae Young been passing the ball like no other.
Yeah.
What's the standout team? Give me one.
Yeah, on that Atlanta thing, man, shit, they got their ass tapped last night. Golden State just annihilated them.
But it wasn't a cup game though.
Yeah.
Today a cup game.
Yeah.
You know, so that was like a regular, you know. These games right here count. They fuss up.
Okay.
Tuesday, Friday. That's fuss up right there.
Yeah.
You know, they 2-0. I don't know. They might be a pretender though. Atlanta could be a pretender. Who you like though?
I just don't think they got enough firepower behind them. Trae Young need more help. Definitely need more help. But the team to watch, in my eyes, Los Angeles Lakers.
They 2-0.
You gotta watch them.
They 2-0.
You gotta watch them. Not only them, I'm a real firm believer that Dallas gonna make a run.
Okay.
Dallas is gonna make a run, and once Luka get hot and they get Clay adjusted, you know, Kyrie just fit in where he get in there because that's the type of professional he is. But yeah, I think eventually Dallas gonna get hot and make a quick run for that West.
For that West. Who you got, E?
I'm glad you asked me that because I'm just trying to figure out why you don't like to show love. You know, I guess you're gonna keep it where it's at. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go ahead and show love to the Warriors again. They my Western champions. They my finals. You know, they going to the finals.
Can't put it past them.
But that's how I'm thinking.
Definitely
Big with
can't
them.
put it past
They end season at 2-0. You know what I'm saying? Now that they only kryptonite this year is the Clippers. I don't know what it is about when we play against the Clippers. It's something, for some reason, James Harden just might slow the game down just enough, and somebody always show up
to beat them.
You know what I'm saying? So
they need Kawhi to beat them.
that's other than that, you know. That's the team to me because Stephen Curry and they got a lot of shooters. You know, we got a triple team here. And now teams shot niggas are open and they hitting them shots. Everybody hitting shots.
Fit too.
But yeah, Buddy been cracking them trade balls.
That's class is class. Class is class.
Buddy's a wonderful
You know what I'm
fit.
saying?
Yeah,
So,
Buddy been doing
he
crazy.
averaged 19 a game, you know, his first year, and then he still got Kaminga coming off the bench.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? He doing his thing just to hold.
It's like the new Iguodala or
So
something.
I'm loving what I'm seeing with them, and then obviously OKC. You know what I'm saying? They still one of my teams like that. They still a threat. Cause I like the way they you know what I'm saying? They play together. They hang with each other. They got a lot of camaraderie, and nobody really can stop Gilchrist. I don't care. Every time I look up, I'm like, somebody gonna better stop him. He's kind of slow. Next thing he's like way quicker than you. So
Yeah.
it's ugly out here.
Yeah, that's hot. So all three of the teams, man, we just named Atlanta 2-0. The Los Angeles Lakers 2-0. We off the rocks a little bit. The spaceship been flying, but we get to it. We get to the money too. We out there. Golden State 2-0.
Yeah.
If y'all following the episode, y'all following the drama. Which one of these teams is gonna take their first L? Tomorrow is a cup day. Tuesday, Friday, cup days. Them the days that's important. So if you chasing props, make sure you chasing props on Tuesday and Fridays because them days count. And always take those over because the points count on the cup too. So don't forget about that, man. It's been a good hour, JoJo. You get acclimated. How you feeling it so far, man?
I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it. I'm sitting back. I'm relaxed.
Hey,
you know, I came in a little nervous, you know, but they make me comfortable, man. You know, they good at what they do. Like I said, it's a pleasure being on here. And I'm having fun, man.
Yeah, we gonna keep it around. Let's talk about these. Let's go to East Top 5 next when we do this football. East Top 5 brought to you by Brown Toro Clean Delivery and Repair. Coming at you on the other side of the break. We're coming right back. Jilla, drop us out.